everyone, I'm Fanny from Gradeability Construction Equipment. Today it's my great honor to introduce you to an electric 8x4 dump truck at SANY factory. Okay, let's jump right in. This truck is an 8x4, meaning it has 8 wheels and 4-wheel drive. The foundation pure electric power at its core lies 405 kilowatts electric powerhouse. That's instant tire spanning force to conquer 40% riding fully loaded. Its massive 422 kilowatts an hour battery recharges in under 18 minutes with dual fast recharging. Now let's dive into the vehicle's physical dimensions and performance capabilities. Measuring 9,700 millimeters in length and 2,540 millimeters in width and 3,200 millimeters in height. This dumper commands attention on any construction site. A wheelbase of 2,000 plus 3,100 plus 1,400 millimeters. It offers excellent stability and is built on a solid 8x4 chassis with a long, stable wheelbase to handle that weight safely and efficiently. Now let's talk about Payload. With a 55 tons maxi capacity and a rugged 8x4 chassis, it holds more than lazy zeros. Yet it operates at near silent levels and releases zero exhaust emissions, transforming work sites into cleaner and safer environments. This is the future heavy hauling, powerful, efficient, and sustainable. This is all information of SANY 8x4 dump truck. If you are interested, please contact me at any time. Okay, see you next time.